Guys, as you can see behind me, we have our brand new fairing kit for this Honda CBR600. Huge shout out to Auctmarts.com for providing the fairing kit for this bike. I use their fairings on all the bikes that I rebuild, and if you guys are interested in getting a set for your bike, I will provide a promo code down below here. Auctmarts.com, be sure to use promo code RK Motorsports to check out. That's going to save you a little bit off the top when you order a fairing kit. They have hundreds of designs to choose from for all different sport bike models, so be sure to check them out. Be sure to tell them Rob sent you. Now let's take a closer look at these fairings and see all the details on this kit. So as you guys can see, we are going with a red, white, and blue theme for this bike right here. It's going to be a lot better than the plain white plastics all busted up and broken that were originally on this bike. So let's take a closer look right here. We've got that vibrant red and almost like this metallic pearl blue. This is looking really good. Just look at the way that looks when the light hits it. Just really refractive, awesome coloring. We've got that blue and red on the front here. Nice little accent details. A little bit of blue on the side that's gonna cover back to these side plastics and onto the tank right here with that pearl blue on the side. Pretty much the whole back of that bike is gonna be that nice glossy red. And we've got the white lowers with the red Honda lettering on there. This is gonna look really sharp once we get that on the bike. So the first thing that I'm gonna have to do to this new set of fairings is transfer all of the old hardware to our new kit. That's gonna be all the nuts, bolts, and screws that are holding these fairings together. I'm gonna transfer those over to here. And I also have this heat shield that we're gonna have to line on the inside of our lower belly fairings just to prevent any heat from the exhaust from melting our new fairings on this bike. So all of the hardware from these old fairings, I'm gonna transfer those to the new fairings off camera. It's really not that exciting. It's just taking some nuts and bolts from one piece of plastic, putting it on another piece of plastic. It's pretty boring. So let's hop right to it. Let's install this new set of fairings on our Honda CBR600.